Вести с полей. Так, сегодня идем. Знаете, где мы сейчас? Возле Сены. Река Сена. И тут же рядышком. Что? Что? Эйфелевая башня. Так, сегодня знаете, какие планы? Покататься вон там, на той лодочке. Потом кораблике. Видно вам? Так, показываю вам. Сегодня планы покататься на, не знаю, либо на этой, либо, не знаю, это не ездит. Это тоже нет, это я вас неправильно информирую. Вот они сзади, вот беленькая, вон та, по-моему, и вот эта белая тоже. Или, может, еще какие-то не доплыли. Ну, конечно, покажу, как только будем ехать. Вот смотрите, башня здесь же рядом. Прям рядом рукой подать. Вверху прям тумана не видно, верхнюю часть. Вот, поэтому, видите, поехал уже кораблик. Мы сейчас хотим посмотрим, сколько там стоит билет. Ну, по-моему, 20 евро человека. Сейчас посмотрим. Вот этот мост, эта башня. Вон люди идут тоже. И, соответственно, сейчас я вам все расскажу.
But baby, I'll drive Spotty and Clyde to the sun. You're mine, nothing but time to lose. And we'll be running on fumes.
Yeah, our conversations always end up in a nosedive. Can't see it ending any differently this time around, round. Yeah, let's take a second and make sure we're on the right track before we say something that we both know we can't take back. Yeah. Stayed up till late, but we're still where we started. Same things, the same things. Yeah, had enough for today. We're just making it harder. Same things, the same things. We don't need to talk about it. There's nothing left for us to say. Too many thoughts around us. All these words are always in our way. So if you just keep me close, lead the way, take it slow, then maybe I'll get us both what we want. We don't need to talk about it. We don't need to talk about it. Yeah, we're at the point where we're supposed to say we're sorry, but it feels like we're only talking to ourselves right now. Yeah. Staying up till late, but we're still where we started. Saying things, the same things. Yeah. Hurting the feeling, we're just making it harder. Saying things, the same.
Люди, мы наконец идем на лодку, на корабль. Сзади меня, видите, какая очередь. Не могу сильно снимать, наверное, нельзя. Не знаю, еще рисуют и не пустят. Ну, в общем, видите, да? Я иду, за мной сколько людей. Это все такой лабиринт, который крутится людьми, вернее, люди по лабиринту идут. И мы все потихонечку, пока не зайдем наверх. Вылезем наверх, потом я вас наберу, окей? Это я. Вот мы приближаемся уже наверх. Иду наверх. Бонжур. Сейчас вам покажу.
I'm feeling it. My bones still ache tonight. It's so different. And now I want to show you all what you deserve. And know we got so much to learn. And just like when we said I do, and it's only you that can do like that.
Ну, в общем, мы забрались сюда, видите, за мной. Людей впереди меня. Вы видите, какая движуха, сколько людей, заполнено. Двухэтажный, все заполнено. В общем, сейчас нас набьют здесь, как селедок, и поедем. Видите, здесь сколько.
Understanding just how you tone and magic when you look at me. Know what I'm saying? It inside your seat. Oh, and just like when we said I do, and it's only you who could do like that. It's only you who could do like. I like it with you. I like it with you. I like it with you. In the sand that we win, we ain't got no plans. I like it with you. Yeah. I like it with you. When the hours feel me all night long. I like it when you close all the curtains, taking out the trash and the burdens. We got all the time, ain't no worries. I like it when you tell me that you love it, and when you pull the strings, I'm a puppet. Even when it rains, we above it. Oh, I like it with you. I like it with you. I like it with. I like it with you.
We ain't got no pressure.
I don't mind being right, even when we got in a row. I kinda like making it up as we go. And ever since the second we first caught my eye, I knew you were different in all the ways I lied. And I won't lie, even when we got it wrong. Why you keep playing? We're not the same man. This sort of little light, the coming ground is shaking in your eye. If you could believe me, let's jump in the deep end. We'll jump in the deep end. Yeah. I said, hey, we don't need to leave all of the differences aside. But you and I feel right. I said, maybe we don't need to leave all of the differences aside. 'Cause that's what makes it right. I'm nothing like you, and you're nothing like me. We don't agree, and that's what makes it right. I'm nothing like you, and you're nothing like me. All missing sides, and that's what makes it right. Or every time that you think it's gone too far, we come a long way, and I know that it's only just begun. 'Cause if you think that loving someone else could ease your mind, let me just remind you, dear, of all the hills we've climbed, and I don't mind being right, even when we get it wrong. No, and I said, hey, we don't need to leave all the differences aside. You and I feel right. I said, maybe we don't need to leave all of the differences aside. 'Cause that's what makes it right. I'm nothing like you, and you're nothing like me. We don't agree, and that's what makes it right. I'm nothing like you, and you're nothing like me. Opposite sides, and that's what makes it right. That's what makes it right. That's what makes it right.
I've been in and out my mind since I hit your phone. I've been counting up the times that I did you wrong. I just want you by my side when I get real gone. Feel it's been a little while since we got along. Yeah, we've been playing stupid games, the situation rotates. And they say communication, safe relations, okay. Medicated how I'm patient, wasting time ain't the way. 'Cause I can see it on your face. I've been tossing, turning, staying up all night long. I've been calling, yearning, wondering what I did wrong. I could tell by your eyes you got something to hide. So open your mind up, let me inside, and let's make it right. Tell me, baby, what's the problem? 'Cause I keep trying to figure it out. Oh no, oh no. Tell me, baby, what's the problem? I'm only picking up what you're putting down. You'll be tripping, I don't know what about. So what's the problem right now? Okay, now hold up. Let me get something right off my chest. I've been meaning to read into it, time to put it to rest. Is it stress? Is it that I ain't answer your text? Don't you treat it like amnesia, you know I always forget. Stirring the pot real hot, watch how the plot thickens. Around the clock, tick tock, need more than 20 seconds to get your attention before it's on to the next thing. And I'm over here again wondering, can I hold you, hear your truth, pull you closer, talk it through? Girl, baby, what's the problem? 'Cause I keep trying to figure it out. Oh no, oh no. Tell me, baby, what's the problem? I'm only picking up what you're putting down. You'll be tripping, I don't know what about. So what's the problem right now? Your smile keeps playing, you're miles away, yeah. I would go overseas just like that. Don't overthink it, why can't you stay here? Give me the call and I'll just be there like that. I don't understand it, but you keep me together when everything around me keeps me under pressure, yeah. It's so overwhelming, but I will wait forever so you can come and get it. I don't understand it, I don't understand. Try so much to get back. That's something you thought I had to drive me crazy, but I still want you here. So just give me the call and I'll just be there like that. I don't understand it, but you keep me together when